Actual sciences.
Yeah, don't do it. Just don't. Right now, financial state of the world down, coronavirus.
Morning guys, Chuyang here, and we are on our morning commute to work.
Yeah.
Today I'm driving something a little bit different. It's the Wrangler Overland. Yeah, this is the red Overland that we took on our little Penang photo shoot last time. So driving this to work, it feels terrible. In the morning, it's just not something you want to drive to work. Man,
It's high up though. You see everything. You see it all.
I'm here with Yigon, and Yigon is a part-time barista at Kopi Chap Taikor. He's also been my very close friend for a little bit more than 10 years already. So we've been to high school, everything together. And he studies actuary, actual sciences. Okay, actuary is not a thing.
I don't study actuaries, man. That's kind of gay. It's kind of gay though.
So actual sciences. He graduated, so came back, was looking for a job, the actual job, not the dead-end barista job, like your parents say.
Nah, man, we're pushing the industry forward. We're pushing the coffee industry forward together. It's fine, it's fine.
We're pushing the boundaries.
Yeah, pushing the boundaries. Along with Sean Liu, pushing the boundaries.
So we also live in the same place, that's why we're commuting to work together. Save the environment, save fuel, save Greta Thunberg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amen to that.
Amen to that. How do you feel in this car though?
It's alright.
You okay?
You see it all, you see everyone.
You see Jeffrey I'm from here.
Jeffrey.
Hey Sean Liu, where are you? Hey, morning man.
SK, you sleeping there? Still sleeping, SK?
Yeah, the ride height is just very high up.
Yeah.
Very wobbly kind of.
Yeah.
One kind of ride.
It's a bit too bumpy though.
Yeah, it's surprisingly bumpy for a car that I expected to be, off-roading.
But I think you need that suspension. Because if it's too hard, then
The suspension brakes, right?
yeah. Look at that. Might be tailgating that.
Might be tailgating Panamera.
Panamera, yes. Oh shit.
Things you only see in Penang. Might be tailgating a Panamera.
Don't give it a shit. Oh, it's not there.
So, Egon, do you want to share with the world what the hell actually is actual sciences?
So what I study is actuarial science. What I am becoming is an actuary.
Is it actuary or actuarist?
Actuary. Yeah, like
Not actuarist.
like RY.
RY. Not IST.
Not IST.
So there's no such thing as actuarist.
There's no such thing as actuarist. You wrote that in your field post. I didn't want to correct you. I thought you knew.
No, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Okay, so
what we do mainly, in the most simple term, is that we kind of calculate the pricing for insurance company.
okay.
But that's not all we do. We kind of our main goal in the company, I would say, is to manage their risk. Because a good risk management basically is a good management for a company to stay afloat during tough times like now. So like a lot of companies are not really covering the COVID-19, but some are. But even though their covers are really small. Like I don't think it will get through you the whole treatment if you were to get that virus. So what we could do at this stage is to have save up capital from before. Like we would expect these kind of scenarios to happen for a company.
Wow.
So we kind of calculate the probability of something like a pandemic were to happen what are the risks, how much capital you should hold, or what you should do when this comes. So it ranges a lot of stuff, from pricing to management.
Yeah. So it's not like general risk, like for example, what's the general risk? Like economy, little bit up and down. It's like very niche kind of risk.
No. We do have to take into account from a small risk to a big risk.
Okay, so it's across the range.
Yeah, it's across the range. Because a small risk, if you don't take control over time, the small risk might accumulate to a big risk where you think it's small, but it adds up.
Speaking of risk, what is this guy driving like that?
It's a risk to society, man. that car is a risk over it. There's a complete stop in the bridge.
Yeah. So Yiguang is there's gacha here. Oh, accident on the.
That's why we all stop and look. We all need to stop and look.
Yeah, rubberneck. Let's rubberneck the shit. Okay, so Yiguang's job scope basically can calculate your insurance packaging and what it covers on one singular piece of job scope.
But that's more of a traditional actuary.
Okay.
Where because traditionally most actuary works mainly in insurance company.
Okay.
But now we can go to like consultancy, investment banking, general banking.
General business related.
Business
corporate business related.
Big corporate companies as well.
Okay. So that in those companies it will be more of a risk.
More like
an analyst.
Yeah, risk analyst or basic.
But using your actuarial science background to basically go about work.
Yeah, because for big companies they normally do a lot of investments, capital holding, where should they hold their capital and stuff, investment. So you kind of need to know what is a good ratio to hold and where you should hold it to keep it safe. So insurance actuaries can kind of model those. Basically, we do a lot of modeling for a company, projecting their profit and loss, their product outcome, what's the future risks and stuff, to see what's going on.
Yeah, this is why I studied hospitality. Can't do math. Cannot. This is too deep. Yeah. What benefit does it bring you to work as a barista?
What benefit? I would say, first of all, I got into coffee roughly 6 years ago. Like really into coffee 6 years ago. I was going around cafes, trying all their coffee out, see what's the difference, like why one cafe brew it this way compared to the others.
So you were analysing each cafe lah?
Yeah, basically I was analysing which is the best cafe, brewing the best coffee. Then after a while, and I got really passionate into coffee brewing. And I was doing my coffee brewing in UK and stuff. It was really fun. Then when Chuyang opened the cafe, I was like, oh, can I like work part-time here just so I can like pick up knowledge here and there while I was taking a break from after my graduation. So then after working in the cafe, it kind of made me more passionate about coffee. Because before working in the cafe, I never touched an espresso machine or espresso drink at all. I was doing pour overs and French presses. So learning about the espresso machine is totally new. It was very exciting. Until now, I'm still learning because it's pretty damn hard to calibrate a good cup of coffee.
Yeah, everything changes.
Everything changes.
Everything
every
is
day.
A variable every day.
Yeah. Same bean, different day, different coffee.
Yeah, not even every day. It's like every few hours.
Yeah, it
you calibrate the
changes.
same thing. It changes.
You gotta work as you go.
Yeah.
So that's exciting. Like you don't just calibrate once for the month and you just make coffee. It's not just make coffee.
Yeah.
You can make shit coffee.
Put your brain into it.
Yeah, you have to put your brain into it.
I think some of the skill sets from your part-time here are really transferable
definitely. Like
into the workplace.
In terms of operation and time management wise, I feel like I definitely improve. And
Workflow as well.
Workflow. The mindset of working helps as well, because I never really worked before. So the mindset of like being in work and not fooling around and just serving people.
When work is work.
Yeah, when the work is work. And definitely help with my interaction with people.
Yes, I think
like customer service.
A lot of these, especially in your field, actuarial sciences are all the very professional, very academic, in a way, very studious kind of fields. They always have a stigma of like, oh yeah, these people don't know how to talk to other people. They just analyze and then.
Honestly though, actuaries, they're shit talkers.
Yeah, like they have a perceived lack of social skill and to navigate more murky social waters. But this is where hospitality and my in a way my degree and my education shines where we handle very, very different types of customers, very, very different broad spectrum of people, from ranging economic standing, geographic, everything lah. Just very wide range of people that we handle. So I think you definitely picked that up along the way.
Yeah, definitely.
And breaking the stigma a little bit.
The thing with actuaries, cause we studied a long time, like 5-6 years in our own close field. So we don't, while we are studying in the uni, like I studied 4 years, we don't really talk to other people about our course other than our own classmates.
Okay.
So we sometimes forget how
a very vacuum
so we sometimes, when people ask us about our field, we sometimes forget that we don't know that they're not from our field, and we use all our actual term. And they just completely lost. They just like, what are we talking about? So we can't really talk to layman people that has zero actual knowledge with actual terms.
So you gotta
tune in a way that they understand, but often we don't remember, or we cannot explain in a way that they understand, because we've been studying it for so long. It's kind of like,
you're deep into it.
Like I'm telling you this, why do you know it? Like it's common sense. It's
common sense what?
Common sense for me.
For you and your environment lah.
For me and my classmate, I guess. Yeah, so it's kind of hard sometimes to explain it to people.
It's a relatively new field.
Compared to all the other professional fields like lawyers, engineers, doctors and stuff, it's relatively new compared to them, because no one really cared about risk management back then. They just like, I'll just hold a margin and hope I don't go bust. Kind of, that was the back then how people do it. But now
for Malaysia?
No, all across the world. Like, I mean, back then, like, there's no computer to do modeling, so there's no point to do. I think it's only been around in less than 300-400 years. Maybe.
Also relatively a new science. And a new science when it comes to putting it into practice, right?
Okay. I might get my fact wrong. Don't take me on that.
Okay. Interesting.
Sorry to all actuaries that I'm just like spitting out wrong facts.
Where's it going?
He's going. It's my meeting some more. Oh, what's that thing behind the...
Looks like butt shit.
Artistic butt shit.
So actuarial sciences.
Don't do it. Just don't. Right now, financial state of the world down, coronavirus shit.
Very opposite. These two people here are very opposite ends of the spectrum. He, academic, studious, statistics, mathematics, very sciencey, you know, rational, logical, very in Chinese very 果断, like right is right, wrong is wrong. There is some gray area, but most of the times there is an objectively better solution. Whereas me, I'm just like, alright, whatever, let's just have fun. So that's the difference between a hospitality student and actual scientist. Actuary.
There's no such thing as actual scientist, man.
Actual science, what? Scientist would make sense, lah.
No. No one called that, man.
Okay, now we're at work. Time to go down, calibrate coffee.
Yeah. Louis. Louis drinks this cup?
Huh? What a wild ride!
Alright.
Okay.
See you guys. Stay
Alright.
safe. Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Stay safe. Stay sanitized.
Support your local community.
Support your local coffee shop. Support us as well. Let's go down and make coffee. Alright, bye bye Overland. On our way to work. Calibrate coffee. Morning. Huh? Yeah. Morning, Louis.
Morning.
Yeah, our showroom kind of empty right now. It's a bit boring. Morning. Morning. Okay. Time to get to work.